Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon to you also.
Take your chair
Thank you.
and quickly introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Jyoti Ranjan Bag.
Are you comfortable to take out the mask?
Thank you, sir.
I think that will give you better.
Thank you. Sir, I am Jyoti Ranjan Bag. I am from Molkasada, a small village near Ranipur, Jhariyal, which is famous for Chosoti Jagni temple in Balangir district, sir. I done my graduation from Khariar College, Khariar under Sambalpur University. After that, I joined Alembic Pharmaceutical Limited as a medical representative. I worked there for almost 9 years, sir. After that, I joined UCO Bank as a probationary officer. I took promotion in 2019 as a Scale 2 officer. Now I have been working in UCO Bank in Chennai zone now.
Chennai Road.
Sir.
Chennai Road.
And you are pursuing for this civil services. After not getting satisfied with your exam.
Sir, I have
Will you
been.
mean that? Will you mean that?
I will say, sir, no, because I have been pursuing for civil services since my college days. I went for Delhi in 2009, but I could not sustain there. I went with one of my friends. I sustained there, but he could not, so I have to came back because I could not join any institute due to monetary issue. So I thought that I could earn some money and I will go back to Delhi, but it was somehow not possible. I worked there in Alembic as a pharmaceutical representative in the aim of just to make some money and will return to Delhi. But it was not possible somehow. Then I joined UCO Bank also with the same aim that I could do for some preparation. But I did some preparation in Mumbai, sir. I posted at Mumbai as my first posting. So I took, yes, sir. I took some coachings there. I attended for mains examination 2018 in UPSC. Previously I was at an interview of OPSC also, but now this time I am going to appear interview. So I have been pursuing for UPSC since my college days.
Okay. Your subject for political science and
Political
sociology.
science and sociology.
Sociology. And have you had any kind of hobbies and interests?
Yes, sir. I my hobby is, sir, to interact with people.
To interact with people. Anything more? Your interests or any other areas?
It was there, sir, but I am in this day I am not getting time to pursue any hobby
Anyhow.
because I am
Okay.
continuously preparing and I am working with my organization also.
As a bank employee,
Sir.
and you are from this, which area you told? Your
Ranipur Jhariyal near Balangir district.
Balangir district. Can you speak something about your district?
Sir. Balangir district is a part of Odisha, western Odisha, sir. The Balangir district, the town named Balangir came from the Balramgarh, which is an ancient town, small town, but it is a ancient town, sir. Previously in Balangir, the bench of High Court was also there, Patna High Court bench was there, so it was famous for that also. And some renowned personality belong to Balangir, Dr. Rajendra Narayan Singh Dev, who was the Chief Minister, former Chief Minister. Mr. Mr. Sorry, sir, I could not remember the name. He was the leader of opposition, the Law Minister of Odisha, the renowned lawyer, Narsingh Mishra, sir. His father was also Yudhishthir Mishra, the member of Law Commission of India in the Constitutional Assembly. He was the member of Constitutional Assembly. And Balangir famous for the Harishankar, sir, the famous pilgrimage place. Chosoti Jagni, that is one among the fourth in India. In Ranipur Jhariyal, that is very near to me, that known for Jainism, Saivism and Shaktism.
And that we also did.
Also, sir.
Okay. As a bank employee, can you tell us something about what is the difference between a share and a dividend? A mutual fund. Share and a mutual fund. For a common man, what will be your understanding? What is the difference between a share and a mutual fund?
Share means ownership, sir. If we are acquiring some share by purchasing the share of the corporate, we are acquiring some ownership also. If the amount of share is more than we have the decision in this board also, sir. We have the right in the we can elect the president and all these things. We can elect the through some democratic way. So mutual funds, sir, it is also one of the capital. Sorry, I cannot remember now.
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ରହିଛି ତମେ ଯଦି ଏହାକୁ ନ କରିପାରିବ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଶୋଇଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ିବି ସାର୍ ୟା ଉପରେ।
ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଡିଭିଡେଣ୍ଡ ଭିତରେ କିଛି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ କରିପାରିବେ? ଆଉ କାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ କହୁଛେ କାହାକୁ ଡିଭିଡେଣ୍ଡ କହୁଛେ?
କ୍ଲିୟରଲି କହିପାରିବି।
ଜାଣି କରିପାରିବନି। ଯଦି ତମକୁ କହୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର।
Interest, dividend, or yield. Yield. Okay.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Where yield is used, where interest is used, where dividend is used.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆମର ମଝିରେ ହେଲା ମନିଟାରୀ demonetization process. How it has affected our entire monetary system? System को कौन affect करा? Has it given a positive feedback? Has it given a negative feedback? How we have gained in the process, or the country has gained in the process? कौन होता है इसके बारे में?
The demonetization has both positive and negative impacts, I would like to say. Positive impact is formalize the economy. Indian economy was not so formalized before demonetization. Also, it's make the economy know that how much currency we have in the system. Another some impacts on sir in non-formal sector, those who are highly dependent on cash and currency, those who affected with this demonetization, their business somehow get disturbed, sir. Those who are in daily wages, they got unemployed due to this demonetization because of all non-formalized sector got affected with this demonetization. So I would like to say this is both positive and negative impact, but some long how it will gain some positive impact because it formalize the economy, it increase the tax base of the country, so it will have a positive impact, but short term negative due to some lack of proper implementation, some impact were there, sir.
Yes, Jyoti, please tell something about the DBT. What is DBT?
Ma'am, DBT means direct benefit transfer. This is the government system to directly give the subsidies or any other benefit to the people directly in their account. So now government India is the largest provider of DBT now through banking system. Beneficiaries are directly getting the money, and it's the stop leakages also. Previously, Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister, told we provided 1 rupees to the people, only 5 paise somehow something is reaching to the poor people. But now due to DBT,
Jyoti, just a few years back, 1 year back, there was a merging of the banks with some scheduled bank. There is merging like your Allahabad Bank was merged with the Indian Bank, and how do you think that the merging of the banks will be helpful to the economy?
ma'am, merging happened just to increase the capital of the bank, so that the capital adequacy ratio also should increase the bank, so that bank can devote more money for development, infrastructure development, and more money for lending, and their capital viability should also increase. So it's merger with that Union Bank with Corporation Bank, and Allahabad Bank with Indian Bank was there. So it will have a good impact for our banking sector. Those banks who are in somehow in prompt corrective action, that provided that one corrective action put by RBI to clean their balance sheet or make them profitable. So somehow they are lacking some capitals, they are in small size. So government India trying to build big bank. In India the systematically
Yes, Jyoti, now a concept of wording many times we are coming across in the newspaper, that is bad bank. What does it mean?
Ma'am, bad bank is a concept or a new bank going to formed by the government of India. It's a asset reconstruction company to reduce the NPA of the banks. Now all banks will sell their NPA to the bad bank, and bad bank will take care of that. So the banks will have less NPA.
Now,
So
please
that-
tell what are the causes for this NPAs rising just trend of the NPA? So many banks are also losing like anything for this NPA.
Ma'am, there are so many reasons for NPA. First, the government loan waiving in the last, firstly that in farm loan waivers. Also, some big corporate went out way like Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, after having so many thousands of crores of loans from bank, and not taking proper follow-up from the banker side also, because people don't know they have to pay, how much to pay, when to pay, and where to pay. So that is also one of the reason. And some other reasons like just like the natural disaster, the economic slowdown. The economic slowdown led to loss of business. So if they are not earning profit, then how are they supposed
Okay,
to?
Jyoti, please tell what is the objective of the granting of Mudra loan, Shishu loan and Kishore loan?
The main objective, ma'am, to granting the Mudra loan and Shishu loan to generate self-employment with micro, small and medium industries. And
What is the rate of interest there, or it's without any interest?
that is marginal cost of fund-based lending is applicable to Mudra loan with the highest moratorium period.
Any no collateral security or nothing is
No
required?
collateral security is required for that loan.
Okay. Jyoti, what are your optionals for?
Ma'am, my optionals are political science and sociology.
Okay, Jyoti, till today our preamble of the constitution has been amended only once. Could you tell what are the new terms or additions were there in that amendment? I'm talking
Socialist,
about the
yes, madam.
yes.
In the 42nd amendment added the term socialist, secular and fraternity.
Or integrity. Integrity. Okay, what do you mean by the socialist form of government?
Socialist form of government means government will control all the resources and it will equally distribute to the people.
Is it happening in India?
Not fully, ma'am, but somehow, because till now some major stake with government only. But nowadays government is started disinvesting some public sector units and giving to private sector, but still major stake is with government till there.
Okay, what do you mean by the secular form of the government in Indian context?
In Indian context, ma'am, secular form of government so giving equal respect and weightage to all the religion and equal supports also. In other forms of secularism, they are making distance with religion, but Indian form not making distance with religion. They are giving equal respect, equal promotion and equal status to all religion.
Is it the appropriate answer for the secular, or I could interpret that state will refrain from the religious activities of the people? State do not have any interference on the religious activities of the people. It has the equal, I think it will have the equal perception for all the religions.
Ma'am, it will equal perception for all the religion.
For all the religions,
Yes.
but not to support or enhance or to promote any religion. State will remain neutral on the religious practices of the people. It will not promote or support any religion. Will the government will promote Hindu religion or Muslim religion or Sikh religion? Promote? No.
No, ma'am.
It will not promote. It will remain neutral from the religious practices of the people. It is completely private affair.
Ma'am, are you asking question, ma'am, regarding this or just suggesting me? Please don't mind.
Yes.
Suggesting or ma'am?
Yes, I'm suggesting.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I'm suggesting.
Oh, thank you.
You could answer in a better way also.
Okay.
Jyoti, please tell something about the federal structure of India.
And government, it's per the Article 1 of the Constitution, Indian state known as Union of State. But as per the basic structure of the Supreme Court guidelines, India is a federation also. Federation means it's a unity of so many states. So we got the every state got the power not from the center, but from the Constitution of India. So they are also not a subordinate of the center, but they are equally they are getting their power from the Constitution.
Please have a, if you have the political science, please have a recheck about the salient features of the federalism form of government. It has a, in Indian context, there is a one government at the center, one government at the state, and there is an integrated judicial system, and there is a single citizenship. Jyoti, could you tell that the changing of the geographical area of any state, the border of any state, that comes under which amendment procedure of the Indian government, national government? There are three types of amendment procedure. One is simple, and another is your. Have you any idea
Yes, ma'am.
about the procedure?
Both
for
our
amendment?
constitutional amendment note both flexible and rigid. So some matters can be easily amended by the only parliaments with simple majority.
This changing of the border of the state, that comes under the amendment of the Indian National Government Parliament, under which procedure?
A simple procedure.
Simple
Center
procedure.
can alter any state boundary or any national boundary with simple majority. They don't need any concept of the federation or states. They may ask for some suggestion, but they are not bound to go with that suggestion of that state.
Okay, Jyoti, recently our Honorable Prime Minister has visited United States of America, and also he addressed speech in United Nations. Could you just tell something about the development of Indo-US relationship in this context?
Yes, ma'am. The India and USA developing their relationship since so many years. I can say after globalization they came very close to each other. The India-US nuclear deal, one of the major deal between India and US. India also joined Quad as a member. The fourth nation, USA, Australia, Japan, and one of the member is India. Is joining the military exercise, the Malabar exercise.
Jyoti, have you heard the total speech of our Honorable Prime Minister in UN?
Total speech I did not listen, ma'am, but some speech I could remember.
Basically on which thing he was quite focusing upon?
Basically the state-sponsored or state-supported terrorism, and in the special context of now the Taliban regime, which is now came into power in some forcefully came into power in Afghanistan, and they are now doing some human rights violation. They are doing violations against women. They are doing violations against minority. So Mr. Modi addressed the UN that UN should take care of all these things. UN should not remain silent for this.
Okay.
Okay.
As you are working in the bank, let us know what is CRR.
Sir, CRR known for cash reserve ratio. This is some reserve bank need to keep with RBI. Previously it was 4%, sir, on day-to-day basis, sir.
What is statutory liquidity ratio?
Statutory liquidity ratio is the percentage of some net demand and time liability that bank need to keep with own reserves.
You are having sociology as your optional. What is lineage?
Sir, lineage we decide as per our ancestral linkage, sir. One of the linkage it is established with it, that link we establish with our previous generations, sir. That we can say our ancestors, sir.
What is recently some news may be there about the syndrome, Havana syndrome.
Sorry, sir.
Havana syndrome.
Sorry, sir. I am not aware about that. I will learn about it.
What is this virus? Now we are too much tired of hearing virus.
COVID-19,
Virus.
sir. Virus.
What is how virus is? We are living being or non-living being?
The virus is a living being, sir. Sir. It's spread through some medium by infecting in our body. So now, due to coronavirus, sir, the world is now in very grim situation. Lakhs of people already died with this coronavirus, and still the scientists or government of all the states could not find any permanent medicine or resolution for this. Only we are given some precautionary measures. So now the vaccination has started with. Now India also producing 2 vaccines. That is, one is Covishield and one is Covaxin. So Covaxin is your own indigenous vaccine, and Covishield is with the Serum Institute and that one.
What is polyandry?
Polyandry, sir, marrying with. Sorry, sir, I could not remember. Forgetting, sir.
Okay, I think Yudhiranjan, what is your assessment? How do you think?
Sir, I have to study more, sir.
Study more has no limit.
Sir.
Don't be panic.
Don't be panic. Study more is not important. What is important for you? What is your take from this board? That is
Yes, sir,
important.
I learned so many things. I will note down all the questions asked by whatever suggestion both sir and ma'am so you give, then I will definitely work on it. My interview is for.
You have got certain good qualities. The good qualities, your presentations are good. Your personality is amicable. So things are acceptable. People will like you to have it in the selection commission board, and they will feel like selecting you. There are certain grey areas which need to little improve. Those grey areas are your bank itself. There will be many questions from your side which you couldn't answer. That they will take it amiss. When this people is working, this person is working in the bank, but not able to what kind of work he is doing. So that will create a very bad impression. Other questions, if you say no, nobody will mind for that.
Yes.
But this is a question which you cannot afford to say.
One more area is bad debt.
Bad debt.
Bad debt.
Bad debt, sir.
So these are some of the areas where you have to equip yourself a little more, may be easier for you. And some of the current information which you are also looking, like Havana syndrome, that was a kind of, it was in the news. A few days back it was in the news. It is a kind of infection, virus infection that was affecting to a group of.
Radiation given to some selected officers by some country, particularly between America and China. China is spreading radiation to some officers of America. Those who are spying agents and all. Okay. So that way they lose their mind, they lose their concentration.
So that
They
Havana
become
syndrome,
dull.
you can search
Okay.
it out.
Suffer from nausea, vomiting. So they cannot remember the facts. Okay. So it's very dangerous phenomenon.
And rest of the things, I think it is okay. You can carry on a little bit of general knowledge, current knowledge that you can from the newspapers for the last 7 days. When is your interview?
4th of October, sir.
So there is time,
I-
read some national, international current events, just look into that. Because Modi's visit to this, addressing at the, and that Quad and other
Yes.
relationship between India and Australia and France and
Yes.
USA, that like this, some of the current issues try to pick up.
I'll do, sir.
And I think we will, with your experience, you will make it.
I have confidence on you.
So we have a lot of
You
confidence
have
on
a
you
bright chance in
that it
this.
is possible.
Yes, you have a very good patient personality and very amiable personality, and you are confident also. But what sir rightly told, knowing the basic things of your banking, because definitely question will come because you are working in that sector.
Yes, ma'am.
So have a minimum conceptual clarity on all the, like sir told, dividends, your the interest
I
and
think you can get these answers. We did not tell you, you
Just-
can get these
just-
answers.
have the conceptual clarity on defining those
We are
topics.
conscious of time also because few more candidates are there still. And so I think
You are already in job now, already
Yes,
in job, okay. In which branch you are posted?
I'm in Perambakam branch nearby Chennai.
Chennai, okay. Then
Okay.
wish all the
All the
best.
best.
Okay, all the best. Huh?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, I think you will make
Have a
it.
nice day.